Hello, welcome. uh, Today again we are here after 2 or 3 days gap. So I was busy, so I could not be online. Now let's start discussion. As you can see on my screen, today we have some model question set, and it is by the tutor. Uh, let's start discussion from the group first. Now, first question is there. What is web server? Web server simply say that no, it's a powerful computer and it is used to store all the web pages, some applications as well, and obviously, and it provides the services to the all the requests given by the client computers. Next, we have list any two applications of internet. So, two applications can be first is a fast communication, and second is the business promotion. Next question we have here is what is the extension of MS Access 207? So the extension of the database file is .sctb. Now next we have what is report in MS Access. It is an object, and this object helps us to present the information in an effective and organized way so that we can print it later, and we can also take decision. What is modular programming? Uh, so modular programming is a type of programming technique in which we divide the multiple files main program into multiple files or multiple programs, and we write them easily and more that manageable manner. Write down any two data types in C programming. Any two data types are int and char. Now we have here a private networks that allow organizations to share information and resources among the internal users. Means it is inside the private organization. It means it is intranet. Now we have next one here. That is the process of arranging the fragmented file in the computer. So that is called defragmentation. Now we have here the full form. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and IoT it stands for Internet of Things. So that was about the short questions. Now let's switch to next group B. That is fourth number question. In this we have uh, what is network topology? Write down the advantages of bus topology. The network topology is the pattern of interconnected computers, other nodes in the LAN area, which is for the data sharing and the communication. Next is what are the advantages of bus topology? So two advantages can be there. It is cost effective, and we need less cable. Since the installation is it is very simple topology, so installation is very easy. Quickly we can do it. Next we have here what is cybercrime. Explain with example. Cybercrime, as the name says, it is a type of crime which happens on the internet or we can get cyberspace and done by the users or the issue that uh, users who want to know actually uh, the system, who want to explore the system. So that's called cybercrime. Some crimes can be there like uh, cyberbullying, we can say. It is an example of cybercrime. Uh, and it takes place over the digital devices like the cell phones, computers, and tablets. And it includes sending to each other emails, the texts, the messages online or on the phone, posting harmful things about someone on the social media, etc. So this is called cybercrime. Now, next we have here how password policy protects computer software and data. Password policy, obviously, it protects the computer software and the data by ensuring that the users know who is going to use the software, are they authorized or not, uh, have they purchased the software or not, do they have key to access the software or not, and it reduces that the um, usage of pirated software uh, from the misuse and keep the system working properly. Not only that much, it also provides the updated file, the patch file easily from the server. Now, next we have here write down the advantage and disadvantage of e-commerce. Advantage. Firstly, I will talk on advantage. So advantage can be there. We can buy anything without going to market. So there is the first advantage. And the second is there we can reach to a large audience of the people instantly. So that was the advantage. Now we have disadvantage. Disadvantage can be there. Since it is in e-commerce, we are not in person touch with the audiences, so it is difficult to know how is our service. And next is there, uh, if the internet is down, then we cannot do any transaction. So that was about the e-commerce. Next, we have defined e-governance. List out the advantages of e-governance. So e-governance, we can say that it provides set of services to its public citizens via digital platforms or the websites. Advantage can be there. Everything can be transparent. Corruption can be reduced, and quick services can be provided. Yes. Next we have what is DBMS. DBMS, as the name says, database management system. It's a software, and that software is used to create the database, planning the database, taking the backup of database, etc. Example can be Oracle, MS Access, etc. Now we have next what is data sorting. List any two advantages of using it. What is data sorting? And data sorting simply says in the data in particular on in our table or the database. Any two advantages can be there. It helps us to analyze the data, and it is easier to find the particular data. Sorting, whenever we go for sorting, then it helps us to save our time and improve the efficiency by quickly access the data we need. So that is also an advantage. And next is what is form. Explain. So form, it is an object, and in MS Access it is primarily used to create an interface to enter the data in the table or multiple link tables. Mostly form, it provides a gateway or we can that interface using which we can switch to particular data. We can navigate easily, we can delete that, etc. We can also use that. Next question is there. List out the data types used for following data in MS Access. So question is missing here. So let's try the question. Question is the student name. The Then we have student's roll number. Then we have address. Then we have fee paid. Okay, so what could be the data types for these are student's name, and obviously it can be a text. Next is role. Role can be a number. Address, it can be a memo. Fee paid, it can be a currency. So this is how we can give the answer of these all the questions easily. Now next we have here write on the output of flowing along with Triton table. So let's go for it. I'm just copying from here. Okay, now let's make table for this. How many variables we need there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 columns. Let's go for it here. First is $. $, is here, and PABSON. Okay, now it is being called here. Now we have to go to loop. Okay, next is your I mode 2. Next is $. Okay, that's all. Let's start. First is condition true, so the value is being true here. Now next is what is the first value of I? There is 1, so 1 mod 2, so it is 1. Yes, it gives remainder 1, so it is not equal to 0, so it is again being true. So when it is true, 2 means this part is executed. Yes, and what is in this part? In this part we have else. So what happens here? Equals to $. So what is $? $, default it takes 0, so $, is there, and n is converted into a small letter, so $, plus else of $, $, I means from first location only one character, so it is converted into small, that is it is uh, Italy 0 so it becomes n. Yes, okay. Now next time what happens, I becomes 2. Yes, again true, I is 2, so it is true. Now next is here condition being true. Okay, now I mod 2, so what is the value of I2? 2 mod 2, so it is not being true. Yes, false. So when it becomes false, then else part is executed. Equals to, it was n plus, so now the first second letter is n p. Yes, so what it is converted into, it is converted into capital letter, so that is this, so it becomes n p. Okay, now next time I is 3, again being true. Now 3 means again it is not equal to 0 because 3 is divided with 2, it gives remainder 1, that is not equal to 0. Yes, so what happens now here, so this part it executed. So what is a dollar? It is np, np, then plus after that we have a is converted into L case, lowercase, so it becomes a equals to n p a. Now next we have I equals to 4, again being true. So how many characters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there are 7 characters, so loop will move 7 times. Now 4, so 4 divided by 2, it is 0, so else part is executed. Where is the else part? Here is, we have previous value and PL. Now what is the new value here? New value is U case, that is B. Yes, we get B here equals to N P A B. Is not it? Yes. Now next I becomes 5 here, again true. So 5 divided by 2, yes, so it gives us remainder 1. So it becomes true. Now which is going to execute? This part is going to execute. Equals to we have first N P A B and plus L case is taken there of one character. After B we have S, so it becomes now S equals to N P A B S. Next I becomes 6, again true. So false, else part is going to execute. Now it is converted to U case, that is O equals to, it gives us N P A B S O. Now we have last part here, and that is I equals to 7. Again the loop condition is being true. Yes. Now when 7 is divided by 2, it returns 1. Yes or no? So it is 7. So true. It is 6. Let's change the value. It is 5. It is 4. It is 3. It is 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again it equals was 1. Yes. 7. So now this again going to execute. L case means it becomes N. After that I becomes 8. Like I becomes 8. False. The loop stops. So output is here. N P A B S O N. So this is the output. I hope you are sure about this one. If you have any question, then just let me know. Now let's run same program here in the interpreter. Let's paste it here. Let's save it. Let's run it. So here is the output and PABSON we can see and PABSON. Have you done any mistake here? N it is being capital. Okay, wait. Minor mistake we have done. Here we have left one character space. So why? Okay. Let's see now. So here is the output. Okay. Now let's go for the next question here. Next question is rewriting the program. Let's highlight the box. We are asked to display the records. So here is the first bug. Next is here print role name. Okay, fine. Do while not ef. So here is the second mistake. Uh, Roll number, name, address, class, section, print, roll number, this. Here is do while loop. So what we have to do there? We have to use a when here. So this is the next mistake. It must be there. Loop, yes, because do while is used there. Next is here this one. It must be closed. Okay. Anything missing here? Okay. So these are the bugs we have found. You can write correct these all the bugs. Next is here to write the answers. Two built-in functions. What are they? First is the len function. Next is here write function. List the real parameters of a program. So real parameter is $. Okay. Now let's go here. So these are the conversions so we can do easily. Here is to calculate area of rectangle uses sub in sub and area of circle using function in function. And write a program to create file this and store the name, address, mobile number of 5 people. So let's go for it. First, let's write line number A. And we are asked to use the function procedure uh, to find the area of circle. For this we need radius. So let's go for input. Let's save it. Let's run it. 5678 radius 3.56. So area is this and the circle. I hope you understood about this one. So very simple. So whatever we need, just input that and pass using the calling the procedures. Okay. Now next we have here to create a file, input the data needs to the name and address, mobile number of 5 people. So let's go put the bin number. So that's all. Nothing more we have to do there. We can also use any loop, for loop, while loop, do while loop, any loop we can use there. Now let's go to next question. Next question is from C, and it's very simple. In previous video we have already discussed this type of questions. I think you can solve it. Similarly, this is also there, a loop based question. We can write it using any loop for I equals to 1 to 10, and thus we have to print the terms. Okay, so this was the discussion of model set 1 of the Triton. Tomorrow again we will be discussing some more model questions. Uh, okay, thank you for joining me, and again we'll be tomorrow here discussing on some questions and tackling some questions and how to know the answers, how to get the good marks, etc. Okay, thank you, take care, see you tomorrow.